Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. I hope everyone's having a good Tuesday, and hopefully you guys all had a great weekend. I was able to catch up with my siblings this weekend, so it was nice to see them. I haven't seen them in so long, and yeah, we didn't get to see each other on Mother's Day. My sister gifted me this Victoria's Secret lotion. Really cute. Look how she has it wrapped. I don't know if they did it over there, but it's so cute. And then there's this little clothespin. I've never seen these clothespins before, but I thought that was super duper cute. So that's what I got from Mother's Day from my sister, and we pretty much always give each other a Bath and Body, or you know, just lotion that smell really nice. She likes to go to Victoria's Secret because she likes the fragrances over there, but I'm usually at Bath and Body. But anyway, I have a haul for you guys and maybe a project share, but I don't know, I might do that separately because I do have a couple of hauls, but this one's a small haul, so let me just start off with that. And this is from a Etsy shop called PerriAnnsArtsNThings. I absolutely love this shop because, first of all, they have pretty fast shipping and great prices, and but their stuff do go fast, so you kind of have to check their site often. Anyway, I haven't shopped there for a little while, so I checked it out and I found some great dyes. So first of all, can I just say, I found this dye. Some of you guys had been hauling this Maggie Holmes dye. It's a We Are Memory Keepers shape dye, and it has these, and a lot of you have hauled this from Tuesday Morning. I had been looking for it a while now, and my Tuesday Morning just did not carry it, or it went quick if it did. And so and I've gone to like 3 different ones, I think, and I never found them. So anyway, yeah, so she was selling this for, I believe it was $4.99, and so I jumped on it, and I believe she still has it on her site, so if you want to go there, I think she sold out and then she brought it back. So anyway, absolutely love this, can't wait to play with it. And let me just share with you guys, and you guys have seen this dye, but I'm kind of excited because it's one of those dyes that, you know, you're hunting down, and it's one of those. And I like this because it comes with a little plastic cover, and it already has the magnetic sheet on there for you. So, you know, and I basically wanted it for these two. I mean, this is pretty too, but I think I have a diamond dye already. But I absolutely love this Geo Heart. And then this little flower too, and it's small. So, which is good because I just bought some flower dyes and I think it's fine. It's good to have a variety of sizes. So yeah, that was a really great price, and like I said, the stuff go fast. And then she gifted me, I shouldn't say she because it's Perry and Maddie. So thank you. Not that you watch my videos, but in case you ever do. Anyway, this is a My Road embellishment. I think it's so cute. How adorable is this? And look, you can put a jump ring, and you can even put this heart right here to dangle. Isn't that adorable? I've never even seen these. Vintage Luck My Heart Charms. So super cute. So thank you for that free gift. I love the shop because they always give me free gifts. I don't know if everybody does, but I know I do when I shop there, because I tend to shop there frequently. Well, not lately, but... And then I found some My Road dyes, and I can't wait to share this with you guys because they're super duper cute. So I got this floral dye, and it's just so pretty. I'm just loving florals right now, you guys know. I keep saying it. And this is a nice tropical one. and it cuts the leaves. So you get 3 leaves and the middle part of the flower, the stamens, I guess, and then but I just like the flower set. I don't have anything like this, and it cuts out these the petals, part of the petals. So I can't wait to play with that. It's a good size too. Good size. And then I got this one. This one, I love this one because it has the word bloom on it. And they may have these at Tuesday Morning, you guys. I don't know, but I never find the Maya Road dies. They're always gone, or my Tuesday Morning just does not carry it. The only Maya Road die I have, I think, is from the Expo, and that's it. And I love this pretty blue color too. But anyway, so it looks like it cuts out a bigger flower. Now it's very round though, so we'll see how that cuts. This one and then a smaller one, so I'm assuming you layer it, and then it comes with the center of the flowers. I think you can do this one as well, or this one, and then the leaves, and this part here, which I don't know what that part is. I'm not sure. So if anyone, oh, and it has some stitching here. Do you guys see that? It's like a kind of like a stitched on the vein of the leaf. So that's interesting. So can't wait to play with that. That one's called Flower Die Set. So what I love about the store is, like I said, they have stuff that you can find at Tuesday Morning. And I don't know if she gets stuff at Tuesday Morning, if they do, but if I don't find stuff at Tuesday Morning, sometimes I will go there. And look how cute this one is. It's a beach theme, and it has the bathing suit. And look at this. How cute is this halter top? So cute. And then it comes with the shorts for boys. So this is a great die that I can use for my kids. And then even has the slippers. And I know I can totally cut a beach theme. I have a Cricut cartridge, but it's just nice to have the die because it's, I mean, I'm just faster with dies, you guys. I don't have to plug in my Cricut and figure out, you know, what size and all that stuff. This one is called Beach Time Die Set. And if I have time, I will cut these out and show you guys how they cut. And then there is this one right here. And I love this one too because of the word. So you have C-U, like C-S-E-A, and then fun. And then this one's surf, and then this one is sand and sun, I think. Sand, sun. And then you have the starfish and the sea dollars. Is that what it's called? Sea dollars? I think. Sand and sea die set. That's what it's called. Super cute. I love it. And that's it. I got 4 of the Maya Roads die, and then plus the We Are Memory Keepers. And then she gave me another free gift because I bought these separately because honestly, I was afraid that I was gonna lose this one. I mean, like, somebody will buy it and it'll be gone. So I grabbed this one right away. So I did pay shipping twice, unfortunately, but her shipping is also reasonable, seriously. And then she gave me this Sticko themed stickers, which are puffy, and I love them. They're so pretty. Look at the colors. And that was for free. So it's just a nice added touch, you know, for, I love it when they give you little free gifts. And you know, and it could be just something little, and it's still very thoughtful. To me, it's so thoughtful. As you know, a consumer, we like to get free stuff, and yeah, and that's just gonna keep us, you know, wanting to shop at that place. And you know, I mean, these are not that expensive, but you know, it's the thought, and I don't know, I love this store. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned. I might be able to also put in, I might cut these up, cut some paper and show you guys how these look like. Guys, so I've taken the time to go ahead and die cut some paper, using the dies that I just showed you guys. So this one here is the, let me show you, the flower die set, which is this one right here, the My Road flower die set. And I've kind of taken mine apart so that I can cut a little bit more efficiently. And just because I wanted to do the leaves different colors. And so this is how it's cut. And I didn't know it fringes it. Isn't that amazing? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this die. So it fringes your flower, so it's like a fringed flower. And what's nice about it is that you can manipulate it. And so you can totally layer it with the smaller die on the middle. Actually, I think maybe the pink. Oh, I can just switch it. I can just do this right here. And this is using the Havana paper, just in case you guys are wondering. And then you can glue it like that. And then the leaves. So I've cut the leaves in green. And you see how they're stitching on the green? I mean the leaf. And look how cute that is. It's adorable. I think it's adorable. So that's how that turned out. And then let's see. I don't know what these other little pieces are. Like there are these with the holes. So if anyone has this die, please let us know on the comments. Let us know what this is for, because I really don't know. Is it like if you make a tag, it cuts like a little reinforcer, but it's not in the center, so I don't understand what that is. I really don't. So here's another one here that's cut up in the pink and the, so it does like score the middle, and then it's kind of hard to see because it's very busy, but you can see it here. And then you have some stitching on there. See how cute they are? Oh my gosh, I love them. Super cute for packaging, right? I'm probably gonna like use it to make toppers. And then look at this. Spells out bloom. How pretty is that? I love this font. So that is this die right here. That's this one. That's the flower die set. Okay. And I didn't bother cutting this one, you guys. I think we've all kind of seen this one, and you can even see here how it cuts. So I didn't cut this one. I only did the We Are Memory Keepers. Here is, let me just continue with the florals. Here is the other one. That's the tropical die, tropical flower die set. And look how pretty this one is. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look how pretty. I know it's kind of hard to see, but look how amazing that looks if you just curl. This is how I curl mine. I can just use a bone folder here and curl that up. Oh my gosh, I love this die already. I can tell. I love it. Can you just see? And you can just kind of, you know, manipulate it so that you can get the right shape. And you put a nice pretty center. This is the center that they provide you with. It's basically a stamen. I don't exactly know how this goes yet, but I must, you know, of course it's like in the middle. See how pretty that is? And then these are the, this is that. So it cuts it like so. Oops. Oh, it got stuck. Sorry guys, I did not, I wanted to show you how it looks individually. Here's another, I don't know if that's supposed to go like that, if it's separate, but that's it. It's 4 pieces. That's how it cuts that. So isn't that fun? Fun, fun, fun. So that's the tropical one. And then I went ahead and cut out the summer one. So let me just show you. And I cut that out of a little bit thicker paper. Now, there's certain parts, and I don't know if it's because my cutting pad is a little bit warped already. I know already, right? I just purchased it when, but I have been doing some die cutting. But yeah, I had to kind of let it pass a couple of times or 3 times. Okay, so this one I didn't take apart, but this one is the summer. Beach Time die set, and so this is how it looks like. There's the, basically just looks like the die, you guys, but I thought I'd just cut it out for you. Let's see. This is, my nails are a little long, so that's how the slipper looks like if you were gonna layer it. Of course, I would do a different, you know, that part of the sandal, I would cut it at a different color so you can see it better. Here's the glasses, the sunglasses. It's hard to pick up because of my nails. They've gotten so long. Here's the, it does emboss it a little bit, or you see that it embosses it a little bit. And then here's this one. That's the halter top, and then the bikini. These little pieces are from the glasses, so if you can pop them out, you can do it a different color. But here's the little bikini. Look how cute they are. So that's fun. And so that's that one. And then I also cut up this one. This is the last one. This one's called Sand and Sea Die Set. And here's the sand dollar. I didn't even pop out everything, but that's how the sand dollar comes out. And then here are the words. You have sand. Here's the starfish. You have this one here. This one says what? Surf. This one says surf. This one says fun. And this is using that paper that I got from Joann's, which I kept thinking was coordinations, but it's called something else. I can't pop those out for some reason. And then, anyway, that one says sea. This one says sun. I just love these. And then this one says you. So, see you. I think it's supposed to say see you. So that is that die set. So I hope you guys liked my video and my little share. Oh, one more thing. One of you guys asked, not this one. One of you guys asked how this die cuts and embosses. This is the one I got from Michael's. I think I used a coupon on this one, and this is how it cuts. So these are the popsicles, and I did back it up with 110-pound paper in white. But this is how it looks like. It does emboss beautifully on foil paper. And then this one, it's hard to see the embossing, but it does have some swirlies on there. And I had to cut this, hand cut this bottom part, because this is just one piece, but it looks like it's supposed to be layered. See how there's like 2 scoops? It's hard to see. I don't know if you can really see it well, but definitely embosses well on foil. Here's the cupcake. And it does emboss here too, so you can see a little bit of swirl. It's hard to see because this is pretty thick glitter paper, so it just slightly embossed it. And oh, you can see it a little better here, the frosting. See how it's embossed? And then here's the strawberry. Really cute. So that's this die here from Michael's. What is this one called? I don't know, but it's the, you know, pretty themed one. Ice cream themed or sweets themed. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. I'm working tomorrow, so probably I will come back with another video Thursday, Friday. Okay, bye for now.